In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Pocket Option app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Right, first let me uninstall this app before we can start. Now to do this, you need to look for Google Play Store app on your smartphone if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone. Because I'm on Android, I'll go to Google Play Store, and now from here you need to search for your app by name. So I just search for Pocket Option like that and run the search. As you can see, we have our Pocket Option here. If I tap on it, this is the right app. Make sure it is from Pocket Investment LLC, and at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.4 with over 62,000 reviews, and at this time this app has been downloaded over 5 million times. So by the time you're watching this data might have changed. If you see these details, then you know that you have the right app. To install the app, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Pocket Option app, and then install this trading app on your smartphone. From here, you can now open directly from here, or if you go to your apps, now you should see your app is here. Tap on it to open, and this is the welcoming logo. Now you can register or log in if you already have an account. So that's how you can install the right Pocket Option trading app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.